To achieve the goal of a self-reliant India, the Maharashtra Defence and Aerospace Venture Fund, MDAVF, started 4 years ago. Main motto of this fund is to empower small and medium enterprises, SME, in the country. The initiative was launched by the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, MIDC, in association with IDBI Capital, to support industries specifically in the defence sector.
The Maharashtra Defence Aerospace Venture Fund is an initiative by IDBI Capital and Government of Maharashtra. This fund has been primarily created to create a defence ecosystem in the state of Maharashtra. The Alternative Investment Fund, which has been significantly contributed by Government of Maharashtra through MIDC. These companies are quite niche companies where they manufacture and do the services for the armed forces in the country. The size of the fund is almost around 370 crore. Our fund has been appreciated by at central level because this is the only fund which actually support the defense ecosystem in the state. This is the only fund in the country which is for sector specific. So there is no other fund who can contribute, who is actually giving money to defense and aerospace sector.
IDBI Capital is honored to be the investment manager of Defence and Aerospace Venture Fund. We are extremely delighted to share that the fund is contributing in the financial space in creating the ecosystem for the defence and aerospace creation of the great nation. Jai Hind.
The RRP S4E company started its journey with the goal of enabling the country in the thermal space sector. RRP S4E, a manufacturer of electro-optics products and systems, has become one of the leading technology companies in the country.
The most advanced system which is our flagship product is the Viraj 28, which is typically used for border surveillance, wherein we have been successful in offering these products to detect, recognize and identify a target at extended distance, even to the extent of 20 kilometers.
At the same time, the company has formulated a system to monitor neighboring countries from the borders. The company has also registered for a patent for this system. As of now, the company provides these services to the Navy and Air Force. In addition to this, the company has now launched a manufacturing project for various medical instruments. Dimension NXG Private Limited, Ajna Lens company is well known for bringing world-class technology to India for the benefit of the country. The company has been working on manufacturing Ajna lens goggles based on augmented reality, virtual reality and mixed reality technology.
As a promoter, we always want investor who not only help us into the monetary investment but also their values or their connections, and I think IDBI Capital is the perfect fit for the same. They help us into the government connects, defense connects and many more into their connections. Thank you so much.
Defence Ministry selected Ajna Lens Company for the supply of augmented reality cameras and goggles system for defence sector. In the last 1 year, the company has applied for patents for its 9 manufactured products. In addition to that, the company has also applied for 2 international patents and 31 trademarks. In the last 2 years, the company's valuation has been increased from rupees 43 crore to 272 crore rupees. All this was possible with the help and support offered by the IDBI Capital through MDAVF Fund. Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited. Paras has played a pivotal role in enabling the country's defence capabilities with the help of advanced technology. Company has proved its skill in defence and space optics, defence electronics and heavy defence engineering. Paras is the only company in the country who manufactures a large number of infrared optics. The company has also made significant contributions in the field of space research in the country.
Maharashtra Defence Fund is a great initiative by Maharashtra government along with IDBI Bank. This fund is really a big blessing to all the defense companies of our state, and with this fund a lot of defense companies are getting benefited. A lot of new companies also will be motivated to start venture in our state. And I would like to thank Shri Amay Belorkar for giving us his support through this fund.
In addition to this, the company has now entered into agreements with foreign companies to use their technology in India. The company is also working on drone and anti-drone technology through its subsidiaries. Shri Refrigerations Private Limited is associated with the manufacture of automatic air conditioners in warships and submarines of the Indian Navy. The journey of Shri Refrigeration, which started from a rented space, has reached to a big factory based in Karad. The company deals in the manufacturing of parts of refrigeration, air conditioning plants and chillers.
INS ध्रुवाच्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टनंतर आम्ही स्कॉर्पिन सबमरीनचे एअर कंडिशनर 100% आपल्या कंपनीत डेव्हलप करून टेस्टिंग करून सप्लाय केले. आनंद असा वाटतो की आता स्कॉर्पिन बोट नंबर 6 वरती 100% प्लांट्स रेफ्रिजरेशनचे लागलेले आहेत. सबमरीनचे AC इन्स्टॉल करणारी एक प्रॉबेबली वी आर अ युनिक कंपनी, आणि त्याचे जे चॅलेंजिंग कंट्रोल पॅनल होते ते पण आमच्या टीमने इथे लोकली डेव्हलप केले.
Company, which has around 142 employees, currently has orders worth over rupees 200 crore from the naval and shipyards. The company is registered with DGQA and categorized as Category 1 supplier of the Indian Navy. With the collaboration of MDAVF, it is now possible to commercialize the company at a faster pace. MDAVF has been instrumental in building a relationship with new customers and buyers. Core Energy System Private Limited. Core Energy Systems Private Limited company is working towards the dream of a self-reliant India by focusing on challenges being faced in the nuclear industry and developing a system that can work in the most challenging conditions. Company has earned its name improving and supplying designing, packaging and technology systems for the atomic energy, defense, oil and natural gas sectors.
For the defense portfolio, we have smart fencing projects. We are currently developing magazine firefighting systems, GPS, GIS based mine tracking systems, robotic platforms, face and speech recognition technologies, anti-drone system through TOT agreements and localization.
Company is well known for handling and management of nuclear waste and radiation. Core Energy Systems Private Limited has added glory to the country by setting up its subsidiaries abroad. While making significant contributions to the defense sector, the company has been allocated contract by Union Health Ministry to manufacture oxygen kits and liquid ring processors. Sagar Defence Engineering Private Limited company participated in the unmanned mission of the Indian Navy for almost 900 days. As of now, the company is providing technical services to the Indian Army, Coal India, DRDO, Indian Oil Corporation and many other private companies. Founded in 2015, the company has been using sensors and robotics technology on naval boats and helped the Indian Navy by providing technical assistance to carry out unmanned operations during emergencies to avoid casualties. Now the company has developed its own advanced drone technology.
अभी क्या है कि अभी हमारी जैसे नावें हैं उसके ऊपर मैन जाते हैं, बंदे जाते हैं, मानव के साथ वो जाती है और ऑपरेशन के लिए सर्च एंड रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस के लिए जाती है, ऑयल स्पिल क्लीनअप के लिए जाती है. तो वहाँ पे ह्यूमन लाइफ को एक ख़तरा होता है, तो उसको खतरे को देखते हुए हमने ये अनमैन्ड सिस्टम्स बनाए. तो अब ये नावें जाएंगी वहाँ पे, उन पे सेंसर्स रहेंगे, उस पे रोबोटिक सिस्टम्स रहेंगे और ये वो ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट करके आएंगी बिना मानव की लाइफ को रिस्क में डाले हुए.
Mridul Babbar, director of the company, said, by manufacturing drones that can fly in 15 seconds from a moving boat, the company has made the country self-reliant in the field of defense sector. JSR Dynamics Private Limited is a company working in the field of defense and space, has made its mark with the motto of Nation Comes First. To follow the path of self-reliant India, the company has built its own machinery, software and design as well. The company has done a great job of making the country self-sufficient in the manufacture of airborne weapons.
JSR Dynamics was mentored by the IDBI leadership, in particular Mr. Amay Belorkar, and we have seen that this kind of mentoring has really helped us get additional contracts from the Air Force and from Bharat Electronics Limited. Within 2 years of our coming into being, we had contracts with almost 300 crores.
The partnership with IDBI through MDAVF has enabled the company to implement its innovative ideas. Techera Engineering Private Limited, a world-renowned company in the field of space technology and air transport, was established in 2018 in Pune. The company has now grown to become a multinational company.
त्या फंडिंगमधनं नवीन बिल्डिंग बनवतोय, नवीन मशीन्स आमच्याकडे मार्च एंडपर्यंत येत आहे आणि कम्प्लिटली ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन मोडमध्ये आम्ही आलो आहे IDBIने आम्हाला सपोर्ट केल्यामुळे. अदरवाईज आमच्यासाठी खूप डिफिकल्ट फेस होता की एकतर कोरोना आला आहे, फायनान्शियली थोडंसं क्रंच होतं, पण IDBIने आमच्याबरोबर येऊन ॲज अ पार्टनर म्हणून अंडरस्टँडिंग करून घेतलं आमचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आणि त्यांनी फ्युचर बघून आम्हाला खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने मदत केली आणि त्यामुळे आम्हाला दिसतंय आणि मला वाटतं की पुढच्या वर्षी आम्ही खूपच ग्रोथ करू या फंडिंगमुळे.
The company is well known in the field of aerospace technology, aviation and defense equipment. Company provides manufacturing equipment to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) for the manufacture of Tejas helicopters. After the financial help offered by the IDBI, the company has so far received $2 million orders from the Indian Navy and from DRDO as well. As part of the expansion process, the company has also started construction of another manufacturing plant in Chakan, Pune. Bardave Engineers Private Limited, which provides all essential manufacturing tools and systems to all major public sector and private sector companies, including defense sector, has shown a self-reliant India is possible. Founded in 1984, the company is operating from its headquarters based in Pune.
Subsequently, we also ventured out into missile systems and we developed launcher control systems for Prithvi version 1 as well as Prithvi version 2. We have also developed successfully transmitters and receivers for other missile systems such as Akash, Trishul.
In its initial days, the company worked as a consultant of DRDO. Within 2 years, the company had started its own manufacturing unit. This was the first time a private company had entered the defense sector. Aman Aviation and Aerospace Solutions Private Limited company has created a valuable impression through innovative ideas in Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The company has been providing an intelligence system to strengthen our defense intelligence through use of drone. The company has received all clearance, certification and license to develop and manufacture drone technology in India. Accurate Industrial Controls Private Limited, working with the mantra of doing something innovative for development, the company has made significant contributions in the country's defense and telecom sector. Founded in 1993, the company has provided telecom, automotive and energy-related technologies to the Department of Defense.
We are going to offer advanced turret solutions, RCWS, then aircraft, anti-aircraft guns, and also optical systems for surveillance security purpose. On the other hand, we are also intending to grow our exports from current 30% to 50% using these solutions which are made in India, developed in India.
The company has manufactured a light and compact power system that is claimed to be useful for launchers and radars and is said to be extremely useful. By focusing on customer satisfaction, the company has now emerged as a group of 5 companies. The company stated that it was able to execute the ideas into reality with the support extended by the IDBI Capital. Dynalog India is working to develop hardware and software which is extremely useful in the defense and industrial sectors. Working in the manufacture of missiles or military equipment, the company has contributed to the Self-Reliant India initiative. Dynalog India company, which has been working in this field for over 3 decades, has created its space to provide quality-driven services.
With this fund being a part of our organization and the financial and the backing provided by them, we are poised now to move from being an electronic control systems provider to a full house system integrator. In the days to come, I am sure that organizations like us will be benefited greatly by the emergence of MDAVF.
While working in the defense sector, companies have to focus on research as well as product manufacturing, which requires huge capital. The company has benefited greatly from the availability of capital by IDBI Capital. Now the company aims to make progress in exports as well. Krasny Defense Technologies is the first private company in the country known to maintain defense equipment. The company is committed to providing quality equipment, maintenance and logistical 3-dimensional services to the country's Navy, Army and Air Force. The company has been working consistently with the motto, serving to grow and growing to serve.
We are also the first ones to carry out repair of Russian origin military avionics from the private sector and accredited by CEMILAC. CEMILAC stands for Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification. We also can claim to be the only company from the private sector to form 3 joint ventures with the Russian original equipment manufacturers.
As of now, the company is operating from offices based in cities like Mumbai, Goa, Karwar and Vishakhapatnam. The company was formed with the help of retired officers from the defense sector of the country. Now the company is ready to take an even bigger leap by contributing to the country's defense sector. The company is constructing a ship repair yard to repair naval and coast guard ships. Cyronics Innovation Labs OPC Private Limited. With the changing times, there is a requirement of advanced technology for the defense needs of the country. As per the requirement, company has been providing technological support to the various defense wings of the country. Company also provides radio frequency, electronic warfare and 5G services to the country's defense forces.
मला खास करून अमय बेलोरकर सरांचे आणि विक्रम जैन सरांचे आभार मानायचे आहेत की त्यांनी आमच्यावर विश्वास ठेवला आणि आज आम्ही हे सगळं करू शकतोय आणि होपफुली वी अचीव व्हॉट द ड्रीम इज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉरफेअर अँड 5G RF software defined radio products exports India exports. Thank you to the entire IDBI team for believing in us. Thank you.
IDBI Capital. The company has got an opportunity to create new platforms while making the country self-reliant on the basis of indigenous technology. Revamp Moto Private Limited. Environment friendly, lightweight two-wheelers that do not require a driving license are now available at affordable prices.
So Revamp Moto is a Nasik-based startup which is from a tier 2 ecosystem. So for a startup from a tier 2 city, IDBI Capital has shown a lot of leverage So IDBI Capital has invested us through Maharashtra Defense, Aerospace and Defense Venture Fund. So basically this money will take up us to market validation of prototype that we are doing, and this has given a lot of leverage in the startup ecosystem, and we are very thankful to IDBI Capital for the same.
These vehicles are very convenient for small entrepreneurs as well as are very useful in the defense sector. While working on the mission of to impact 1 million lives, the company has received a supporting hand from IDBI Capital.